Kamchatka volcano's ash eruption prompts air traffic safety warning. A volcano in Russia's far eastern Kamchatka region has begun spewing ash, posing a possible risk to air traffic in the area, a news report said Sunday. The Shiveluch Volcano has begun shooting ash some 6 kilometers into the air, prompting its threat level to be boosted to orange, meaning it could pose a threat to air traffic, Rossiiskaya Gazeta reported, citing the press service of the Emergency Situations Ministry. The cloud of ash has spread to the southwest of the volcano, and the plume of ash has spread deep into the peninsula, but there is no ash in the villages, the ministry said in a statement. Tour agencies have been advised against organizing any excursions in the area. Shiveluch is one of the largest active volcanoes in the Kamchatka region, with an area of 1,300 square kilometers and a height of 3,283 meters. There are more than 150 volcanoes in Kamchatka, 29 of which are active.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingme.webs.com.